Electronic stability control, or ESC, is a crucial safety feature that has been mandatory in all new vehicles since 2012 in the United States and 2014 in the European Union. ESC works by continuously monitoring your vehicle's direction compared to your steering input. When it detects understeer or oversteer conditions, it automatically intervenes to keep you in control. The ESC warning light on your dashboard can illuminate for different reasons. Sometimes this is completely normal, such as during aggressive cornering, driving on slippery surfaces, or rapid acceleration. However, if the ESC light stays on persistently, this indicates a system malfunction that requires attention. There are several common causes, each with different likelihood of occurrence. The most common cause of ESC problems is faulty wheel speed sensors, accounting for 35% of all cases. These sensors monitor individual wheel speeds and can fail due to debris or wear. Steering angle sensor calibration issues represent 25% of ESC problems. These sensors detect your intended steering direction and may need recalibration after certain repairs. Brake system problems, including low brake fluid, account for 20% of cases. Since ESC uses the brake system to control individual wheels, any brake issues can affect ESC operation. Damaged wiring or connectors cause 15% of ESC issues. The complex network of wires connecting sensors can be damaged by road debris, corrosion, or wear over time. Finally, ESC module failure represents only 5% of cases, but is typically the most expensive to repair. This is the computer that processes all sensor data and controls the system. Understanding these common causes helps you communicate effectively with your mechanic and make informed decisions about repairs. In the next section, we'll cover step-by-step troubleshooting methods. When your ESC light comes on, start with these basic troubleshooting steps. These simple checks can often resolve the issue without expensive repairs. First, drive normally for 10 to 15 minutes. Many ESC lights are temporary and will turn off once the system recalibrates during normal driving conditions. Next, check your brake fluid level. Low brake fluid is a common cause of ESC light activation, as the system relies on proper brake pressure to function correctly. Check your tire pressure next. Uneven tire pressure affects the wheel speed sensors, which can cause the ESC system to malfunction and trigger the warning light. Finally, inspect and clean the wheel speed sensors. These sensors can accumulate debris from road conditions, causing false readings that trigger the ESC light. If the ESC light persists after basic troubleshooting, move to intermediate diagnostics. These steps require some tools but can identify the specific problem. Use an OBD2 scanner to read ESC-related diagnostic codes. This tool connects to your car's computer and provides specific error codes that pinpoint the problem area. Visually inspect all wiring harnesses for damage. Look for frayed wires, loose connections, or corrosion that could disrupt the ESC system's communication. Test your battery voltage, as low voltage can cause false ESC activations. Also, try resetting the steering angle sensor following your vehicle manufacturer's specific procedure. If intermediate diagnostics reveal specific component failures, advanced repairs may be necessary. These typically require professional assistance and specialized equipment. Wheel speed sensor replacement costs between $150 and $300 per sensor. These sensors are critical for ESC operation and commonly fail due to road debris or wear. Steering angle sensor calibration requires professional alignment equipment. ESC module programming needs dealer-level diagnostic tools, and brake system repairs address underlying brake issues that affect ESC operation. Following this systematic troubleshooting approach from basic checks to advanced repairs will help you identify and resolve ESC light issues efficiently and cost-effectively.